If you're short on time, well, this one's just for you. Welcome to Oscar's Rapid Review. Today is another pinch yourself moment as we have two of the Richard Mille RM7201 lifestyle chronographs. The RM7201 case is 38.4mm wide. It's 47mm in length and 11.6mm tall. The three-part cases on these are identical in every way bar the choice of material and decoration. The tachymeter frames see some variation, the one being black and the other being white, but both use rose gold surrounds and hands for contrast. The TZP model is a sleek matte black tour de force with rose gold midcase, hands, numerals and a matching black strap. This variant is far more extravagant of a beast, so when you add the white gold and white strap combination, it really has a fresh feel to it. Brilliant diamonds are a conical shape with a large top and cut with many facets and planes, all designed to reflect the optimum amount of light, which is the core principle of diamond use. And it really works. If you'd like to see more of this watch, please do check out the full-length video on our channel.